Not far from Kuching City, along the coast of Sarawak, lies a beautiful beach known as Pasir Pandak. A place where the sea meets the forest. A place where people come to relax, spend time with family, and enjoy nature. From above, the view is stunning. Long stretches of golden sand, calm blue water, and green tropical trees that reach all the way to the shoreline. This is Pasir Pandak Beach, one of Sarawak's peaceful coastal treasures. There is something special about places like Pasir Pandak, places that do not need grand buildings or crowded attractions to leave a lasting impression. Their beauty comes from something much simpler: the rhythm of the waves, the calmness of the sea, the shade of the tropical forest, and the moments shared between people and nature. As the journey continues, take a moment to appreciate the landscape before you. A coastline shaped by time, a destination rich in natural beauty, and a peaceful corner of Sarawak that continues to welcome all who visit. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the experience.